Biakamal gwasame teke warga misha gor akwar sha kwanya kume spelaiwo mi benywaka yakel gwasame ketin kona lat karodian Chilo dien chates ka dobadan shi wuda shal keme governor dollar me she bendora shal keme ulang county so chilo na chates ke ko enetin kontin tere wi kamala kal chitka kwara me mishal ke dollar me dan chikana chiken kanek dora shal keme ulang kene nasser ba jo me be nya yakel warga dan chikana gor chikana gorede ba nya kel ke yoko biya kula tika ngeshki biya tika liang kamandan le rolaten Brigadier General Kengut warga sha gorche toke che gorka toke ngli baja nywaka yakel dan ka kore bana recommendana le rode en mucha latena please go no billing ko na me information mo goro de link katin jekten kon kena goitin kon lat ko rodi de doaran ngai kon longono nishang gor kon no de kon jekte kon nganga kon de kon kalara de no bran kala loide mitem lo lam ne jalare hen lo kana me kana me jen do bana bana niam keje channel jelling and message me share goron my dear community, I want to speak to you from my heart. 3 days back you welcome a leader whose government action brought deep pain to many innocent civilians. I have seen the joy with which some members of our community receive this visit. While I respect the right of people to express themselves, I must also acknowledge the heavy sadness I carry. And he said, I carry this sadness not because I wish to judge anyone's choices, but because I cannot forget the life that have been lost and the families that continue to suffer. As a leader, it is my responsibility to honor those victims by remembering their pain and standing firmly for the dignity of every citizen victimized by the government of South Sudan. Over the last 3 days, SPLMIG leader dropped on social media videos manipulating innocent women, elderly, that they came for peace in Ulang. How can a loyal son and daughter of the land do that when the government they represent bomb and continue to displace their communities they pretended to love and care for? If they are truly for people, a representative is supposed to voice the concern, interest, and need of the people they represented. If the government limit what they can say there, then the representative cannot fully perform their role. And hence, their being in government is solely for their own personal benefit, not for the people, because they can bring forward issues their community faces. They can challenge policies that harm their constituents. They can hold the government accountable for atrocities committed against this community since 2013 to date. In a sense, you are not a representative if you are not allowed to speak freely for the people you represent. I hope that as a community you can celebrate a genuine peace, not this shameful and mocking visit and celebration that everyone witnessed on social media in Ulang County from IG leader led by the Governor Dollar. For your information, we still recognize the grief of those affected by the recent aerial bombardment in main location in Doma Payam. But you will definitely hear from us as long as your mission on the Sobat corridor continues. For those who feel hope and for those whose wounds are still fresh, never allow joy to erase justice and accountability. The SPLA-IO over years have been standing for the people. We urge everyone to take heart despite all this mockery activities from IG leader in Ulang County. This message coming from Brigadier General Cash Ngotim, Governor of Upper Nile State, SPLA-IO, under Dr. Riek Machar Tein Durgon. Jolin kona me sijendana shagor. Okay. Chana jamin let understand it this way. Jacob Dollar che we dora mo mshal kamo walankani dio je kon dial tika ngaitin, right? Ngai kon mandana shoda lat. But chilo ina chetes ka ta dan len ngordin ke ngai kon dial me dan shitwok ke ta dan len ngordin ke so shi me don de la jaran ano shirme ngai kon naka ne kon lia liu ka ne kon under kirme yadi ka kane de ti shalga ti in wartin tekel ke kirme yadit. So mular kon to ki mala chalkano, let's be honest. mi te kering mlerol de la gor jen wo ba ja address ko do bran ci to ka je so e war ga me mi pa e kwen ka sha ling ka ba nyole je bo ka tung na ta gwa ko bi aje ling wude me chwale kay ngut jen ram cha kwan ne ka gwa te dan jen cha je kwan la kwer ke governor jen governor a panal by the way jen governor a panal me cha kwan na tunelo yet ko Nathaniel yet jen acting chairman ka ku SPLA yo take power ka take lwan ko barama no ko mo dongde SPLA yo de janang niamo no beje del kwan so chayu kwan la Ramadan la kwer ke governor ka warga dana sha gor ni jen chang jen dangro wi de ka pai welkel ronkin dangro wi de jen dangro wi de she kwer nen kontur de magwaseme Brigadier General Kengot Tim Ramdan la Governor of Apnal State kas PLMS PLIO ke warga cho gor gwaseme jen gor jen obe la loida chera do ko konin dang dokte chewa sia leader ki kwar nana ya kwanye kirmi yadit Jacob Dolo sia je welcome rishing dun do dan sia welcome ga je ko lang ci loy nen to ngwan lung ci jet ne ko la civilian te cha ne ken cha kan nak ke di siang me be ci ken jek ci loy den ci jadalon kan e diala kontin cha je Jacob Dolo cha je lur ka ngai ke je no Jacob Dolo ram kel kat ne kontin nakan wori a part of it ko te ko kuma kirmi yadit ci governor ci laro ne governor enen kontur gwasa men cha kwanya la kwer ka SPLA IO la kech ngotiem jala do ne ajene jaslo ajelong ne ne te ngwan tes lo dien kenendien ke Jacob Dollar ajene tang community ne kon te lo dien ko ci Jacob Dollar ben kaka ajene lo de yelong pan ano tien ka chuong ke dien ka bom ko dien welcome telerek but man jes kaloy na jene ne te nakaye nguna kami park ne te kone sha naga ken adwa badien me de yen ko kula support ne jeni just one me didelong jena I care this sadness not because I wish to judge anyone's choices jena shi auto kwa jajni ye yene te kone chunkel ke Jacob Dollar yes Jacob Dollar gadan dan war bishit ka kon but Jacob Dollar te kujendana na kon enona jene kwer mi chai ko la kwer jen take responsibility ano bichoje chu kene ko bika address chi o jen baje lor nyod jen o ich enakaji bay kula no godi ka jen jira madan te queen and kono kwa na kwala nak ano bna chonka ne na kanuri mi chang ajene shimgwa kan jas filma ji me kan la dor shal ke me wulang tarake liu siyasa ki political tele menang na nyam tin you know jen ta dan la de jeje jen shi chuong jen na mo chena de nang gor kono bana te kan ngi ko mi ko ne timo tilan mo gwa bu ko ne de content changa kon ko do mo gwa kan ne content bu kon ke bu kon chuong ka ken kuma SPL ma aji term chelet dor shal ke me wulang ki don wari ne itimo tila loyal kan wore kan de konde wore ke accept cigne na khiya cha jallo ari chelat ke duptung wan maniam ajeni ke 2013 shumeno wale shungne kel ke ne de konte shanak ko na ram shun kel ke kirmi yadi nyodo jenon ko lian wore ko support anyok che yene de konte ko lang bo mu kwa je pelen 2013 akuwe katia ka gwasa me ka doma mu paye nektino ne ajen kuma ku yen la loran wale yen shi amar ka shi shi ma na kun angu me de rammo la loyal son and daughters of the land de rammi mo mi ne shi ka nakka bom ni buga ka karen yali kan woda ba shi ma na ken dial ka karo ji kem ka bi ka lar no te man me be bikan jambas ni bikan kalat re nyut kan o ichi kwer mo gwa shaben kane de ti de chol ka yen ga ti kwar chit ka Jacob dollar mi kwar la tok ongu me kana shoydun kana ja addresso ongu me kana riktin konde la rodian ongu kana kalado ongu kana kari ala kama ongu mu wona na ka chojono ongu mu wa na kana dor shal ka me doma ongu mu paine dang bakel pai ga nak te ka gwasa men dor shal ka gala shal ongu me chicken policy ndande kim yadi chicken challenge kane de ti yos ka neke ka shema ne ken chet kama la dev la tok da mo ka shema ba yor yer yon shibad bereja wonen mi shene ne wote tok de te ka kwen ke te ke nup no bena mo be jakep ba yodrar ka je jen ta da nan dab ku ye ka je dab ku ye ka kwen ne ra ti dab ka ni ya ken chika no ne mu chika no ne mal re duarun ne ti motina kana te de dien ka telam lat kene gel kene jabang chi let's say right now chi lo jok mu chi kan lat tele mi chi kan lat she would have made chala ron me che chong she kwerana kebes pele mayok la governor of Upnal State General Kay Ngotiam chala do ne na ajeni ngode par ne neten konte chana ka koninten pai wo kume SSPD kume kirmi yadit. And we are not ready to talk with them. We are not ready to receive them or welcome them in our home. Yene de to mig yene te chara la to ka ta dan janu na ga jadi yen charba gwa. Ya de charla ne te mondong gu yene kwen na ya kamye. Man dep ko ne ya. Bi ala ram e kwer mo gwa ka pa na gwas me SPLA IG tan mi kan ladja. Ci jiwu lang ci jogo no tien ka dwer mi dit. So na me mishalat so ngai kono ka talk ala mi kwer mi momi nakana ka tede ka ben ka balor. Of course the same thing happen in Chikonen ka kobo sha Dr. Guy Cook charge welcome Nuer community. Then the same thing chabula damo boni wudu chala me Jacob dollar ko lang kante lo le shi game neken de jogo no ne Jacob dollar shi kwer ulang shi kwer Nasir ka shi kwer Mayut ka shi kwer lungu shukarwade a kwer wini di alto. But and when a kawulang, what does it mean? Take influence ni mukola na jen wenamo. Lo munyo do ritin kon le point there. She would take mal me be. But gorko bajing is no jen charge welcome. Ala these governor they are competing. They are in competition. Komeda na shida guy kung me chewe ka kobo. You know, chegwe ja dora ngum da kan chino tan ngam de tuk de lep. Sure try welcome. The same thing which governor dung up na jenen okay chi governor jongle che we ka Nuer ngum tel ma chalat ke January ba we bon chi ga nyawa je ne ben ka wala so the reality adomi mo yar kan Nuer ke je ba Nuer chi kan ne Nuer mu yenen jen do dan bi dial burin kap chonga je tel ma den so jen do dan mu ngon dial rin kap chonga je but mi dong ke yenite mo shidier ka ta dan shu yen ke je tell a way out. Okay, tell a way out. So na me meditin. Shinete one she can Jordan chalat gwas me she can lad mugwa and Ramadan la governor. But she SPLA generated contil la miet kin were well. Look and Jordan chalat gwas but mande kon lad jenene. Mun were kon shushke dere gwano de yen kapal church. Yes, ko fight ki your position but cheje jako de nwere ko dere kanak. So me a competition dong jen dong mi chung yen ke jang ka jamo ko beti ke position sharon wo ko de chakala fully equipped with everything. You have everything in place that you can help yourself with, not relying on government money. Jet katala ikula jor ka jama binego biga betray ka bike chenga jek ya jonji wo ne ka ma de ka won ma ji ko ba ji ya ke jira mu bum ko jenda na chanen kan Nuer na ma Nuer mu ya kam power ya to be use against their own brothers and sisters jen ta dan to ka juba mi jen gu ne ko de juba ran ro ja lo just let us share ten when let us share Nuer let us kana kon mitre Nuer ke lere shi che cher ke ru lere shi ti dial shi ke to ngwata mo che te ka authority for life but authority mo men kam ke kirna gwato long na bul mil jani tam bul mil la vice president te ka bom You know, where is he right now? A full general in it. He has everything. Let us tell him one. But where is he right now? Dio Jashan and Chayan or Chai detain. So a lot power is corrupt leaders. And what the governor say is correct. Me Jeremy Momelakwer Bidel Charkaneko. Okay? You have to think about your people, about the civilian, about the displaced people. Ne de lat kene jamba ni ngare na roine na ka jano tine dia te ka rob jikem gore char nuere gor kon char mo kwa chana competition chana kap chong ka position dorante rambilat kan dong dia la ti woni kan ka we they are not living in a legacy bian chang mon kan me kam a chance ko cha dong e chwa mi de me chwa la wo to dan na dong ba gwa dong ba ro de lot kon ngum lu de ro do kon ka kona all the chances are there. Opportunity ka kon big creator ongi cha ngul char jene hotel ji lo de ko chi jeg dong cha de jeg no do run point de jega do run gwaye ko gwaye ajin bi reale kamo she all these people to kuyen len te janga ti tat whoever when ka ber but we the Nuer people ka kon e content be do ran bi lat we are the people that will build our home not outsider but not when you are lining up with others who are enemies of the Nuer. Shamal Jabnong na motel mal biben. So they jogo no ne machalat governor agent chonde queer me momiche dear kan Nuer chi Nuer jade welcome by any mean. But sorry do kodi Nuer shar kon ka gol. No ten Nuer no kanerik ten Nuer no kaneri alane tin goro de Nuer de ka go kanedi todolong. Ajen kya ko jogan jag de ala tine wo yene kwa Nuer kwa re de riok ba kwa kep ngoda borunde go nyen karodin. So that's what happened. What true drunk people, they will never do anything good because yarodin they can go. Okay, let me simply say it. Young dang romimet can go akel. Okay, tell like a problem chang akel la go ken let ken yin but problem jene akamen dak finde bramba jen bo gwadamo and young mo tin bo la dora ga tibaj baj gwan me kene to kan ka yon jen dana to on tama bina ran gwadan tikitini yene ko to gwan ko ni ti gwan tin yen le yene shi go yen but me be community men shi akula pel biya ben we non yen jekun ba ka bin accept community na mo der charo de lut but there lut gwadan jin karwa jin young mo miti and when she young den nyoko ben shi mat kel then thing will not go well ke ta dan bi jegeje so Nuer doran ko kon bi rele kamo but mi shi kon dier taram bi rele ke jo doran be jek betemal